How to integrate Google Calendar with Slack. So I have entered the Slack website, and here from the left hand side we want to click on Browse Slack, and near the bottom you will see this option for apps. So just select this. After we have clicked on apps, then you will see a list of all of the applications here. If you don't see Google Calendar, then you can just type for it. So Google Calendar, and it's going to show up like so. And we want to add this first app here. Once we click on it, a new page will load, and we will see this option to add to Slack. So all we have to do is click on it, and then we will be able to click on allow. And once we click on allow, it will ask us to log in with our account here into Slack and continue. And again, we have to click on allow, and it will redirect us to Google Calendar. And now this will have successfully integrated Google Calendar with Slack. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.